This is UNNI Compostable bags, 2.6 gallon. All we need to do at the beginning is just to get one bag out, and you can close the box just like this. Let's check the bag. I think the material is pretty thick, so let's do a pull test. All right, just like this. So let's do another test to see how strong it is. I probably leave like 2 inches between my hand. So for 2 inches you can pull like this. I think that the quality is no problem. And I want to pull like this way. Different way I want to pull. So this way is a little bit tougher. If you pull from the top to the bottom, it's a little bit tougher. It's not that easy to pull. This is office trash can, so it's actually pretty big. So for the kitchen scraps, you don't really need the big trash can like this, but just show you that how big it is, what it can fit. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.